Hey everybody, Teresa from the Empty Armchair here. I have a cold. We are here on Radiance of the Seas. But I did want to let you know about the laundry special that is offered on board most Royal Caribbean cruises. So I'm going to show you the bag that is given to us. You're allowed to put as much in the bag as you want. The current charge is, I believe, $34.99 for as much as you can put into the bag. The bag is not plastic, the bag is paper, and it will tear easily if you put too much in the bag. So anyway, let me show you what the bag looks like. Here is the bag. This is the bag that you get. Please wash for my next adventure laundry bag. This is the one that you will get, that your steward will give you. You will get the bag, and you will also get this form, loads of savings. So the wash and fold laundry special is $34.99. So you put your name on it, your stateroom number, your CPAS folio number, and then you put how many of each of these items, pajamas, socks, shorts, swimwear, t-shirts, underwear, how many of each of those items are in there. Now, if you have something other than that, that you're putting in there, please feel free to, put a slash through it and then write in what it is that you're adding instead. So if you wanted to wash a dress or something like that, you just put a line through swimwear. Let's say if you're not having swimwear washed and you're having dresses washed, you just write dresses in that place and then put how many that you're putting in there. And then you would sign it. Whoever is going to be paying for it, will sign it. So we've already done one of these for this sailing, and so I paid for it. This time Pam is going to be signing it because she's going to be paying for it, so she's going to be the one. So to give you an idea as far as how big this bag is, here is our cruise compass, and our cruise compass is 8.5 by 11. Okay, so there's how big it is. 8.5 by 11, or that's 11 by 17. Or you can look at it that way. Or you can look at it that way. So it's not very big. And again, it's paper. It's not plastic. So you have to be very careful when you're putting your laundry in there. And we're going to be submitting underwear and socks for this one that we're going to be leaving for our steward. So I tell people, do not overpack this bag because they need to be able to close it. And you need to put your little form here inside the bag, and then just leave it. We leave it on the sofa for our stateroom attendant to take it, although we might leave it on one of the beds to make it absolutely sure that it's not missed. Tomorrow we're going to be in Puerto Vallarta, so he'll pick it up by then. And then it took us 2 days to get it back last time, so hopefully we'll have it back by Sunday. We get off the ship on Monday, and we will be packing on Sunday. So we really need to make certain that we get this to them. It's not always the next day. So if we turn it in tomorrow, which is Friday, we might not get it back on Saturday. It might not be until Sunday. It's cutting it a little tight, but just be aware that you should not put it in the day before you're going to get off the ship. Put it at least 2 to 3 days before the end of your cruise to make certain that it gets in there and you get it back in time for being able to pack on the last day. Okay, so I just wanted to show you what that in fact looks like. I know there has been some questions about how big the bag is. So, I mean, it looks like it's a big bag. I'll show you what it looks like after I've got it filled. So, I actually... I'm all done. I got everything in there. So that's how packed it is. It's in there. So what I did was I put 23 pairs of socks. 23 pairs of socks are on the bottom. down here. Okay, sorry about that. 23 pairs of socks went on the bottom, and then 19 pairs of underwear. I split it into two, and I rolled them up. One batch of 10, one batch of 9, and then put those on the top. So there's plenty of room. I mean, if I wanted to, I could probably cram more in there, but I don't want to do that. So there's enough space for us to finish filling out the card. So this is the way it would look. We have our stateroom number is 7094. I don't have Pam's folio number. But 23 pairs of socks and 19 underwear. But that's what's going in this bag. So what happens then tomorrow when we leave for our shore excursion for the day, we will leave this on the bed so that our stateroom attendant will take it and then have our stuff washed. If you have delicate items, in all honesty, I would not put them in these bags. The laundry here is really tough on clothes, so it really is better for sturdy stuff, not your delicates. So your delicates should go home with you, and just do them at home. We technically didn't need to do laundry again. I always pack enough and a little extra so I don't have to do laundry because it is a pain. But we are going ahead to do it so that way when we go home, there's that much less that we're going to have to wash, because we do have a lot of, we have shirts and shorts and pants and, other items that need to be washed that is going to take, a day to do our laundry. I mean, we'll probably do 4 loads of laundry when we get home. And if I can get some of it done here, and we try to do the socks and the underwear here, and then leave the shirts and stuff because they're bulkier and we can get more socks and underwear in the bag. So anyway, that is how the laundry bag works for the wash and fold here on Royal Caribbean.